What is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. You know, sometimes in the winter, us lawn guys need some type of content to post. And so I decided I would make a video today about how I make a super simple and fast YouTube thumbnail with the app PicMonkey. So let's get into it. The first step in creating your custom thumbnail is to download the app PicMonkey. I know, I'm sorry, I hate YouTube videos that start off like this. No, PicMonkey does not pay me. It's not a sponsorship. I just saw someone else's YouTube video. Also hate how people start off like that, but found PicMonkey. It's really great. I mean, the thumbnail creation is super simple, so I'm gonna walk you through it. You know, you open up the app, you pick your photo you want to edit, go down to the bottom, it's giving you options. It literally gives you a YouTube thumbnail cropping, so you can make sure all your photos fit perfectly for the YouTube thumbnail. It will cut out part of your picture, but you know that it's fitting to the form of the YouTube thumbnail. There are many options at the bottom. You see, you can change the tint, the color, the shadow, whatever you really want to do. So it's super simple to use. That's why I like it. Now here's where the magic happens. You start to add your text and add your special flair to your thumbnail to really make it your own. Obviously, PicMonkey has stock fonts and shapes, what have you, but with your own picture as the background and a nice font that complements the picture, it's, you know, really easy to create something that is presentable and fairly quickly. So I just picked something standard like my custom thumbnail, and you can move everything around and add shadows to your text, change the color of your text. Now, if you see that little ghost icon where it says graphics in the bottom right, that is where you can really put something interesting onto your thumbnail to make it your own, because I'll show you in a second. When you pull up the graphics, you can select a photo and then you can layer your photos onto the other photos. And one trick that I learned from looking on Google is that you have to have a transparent photo for it to have this effect with no background. So once I have my transparent photo and my custom text for my custom thumbnail, I go up to the top right, hit the check mark, hit save, and save it to my phone. Now let's upload our custom thumbnail to our YouTube video. Make sure that you have YouTube Studio open so that you can edit your video. Click on the video that you want to edit your thumbnail for, and then in the top right, click the pencil and edit the thumbnail. Go down to your pictures, hit change first, then find it in your pictures, select the thumbnail that you created, and now I'm going to discard my changes, but you'll just hit save changes. And there you have it. Your custom thumbnail is ready to entice your viewers and keep them coming back for the same styled thumbnails over and over.